Hi there, my name is Phil Saldays and I'm a learning designer based in Brisbane, Australia. My background is actually in exercise and sports nutrition, and I used to be an accredited exercise scientist. The lesson that I've developed is for a biology class aimed at the senior level in high school. And one of the classes that I enjoyed on the Adobe edX was the Getting Started in Publishing, and it got me thinking about the various layouts and formats that we can use to present information. In this case, the students will be tasked with developing a biology report in a format known as a double-page spread. To add to this, students will be delving into the animation features of InDesign and adding transitions and elements to their report to make it more catching to the eye. One of the perks of this is that it will be a lesson that could be used throughout a unit plan, as students could add different systems of the body as they learn them. Now, InDesign is not necessarily the easiest program to use straight away, but don't worry, I've provided a template and a Spark page with a step-by-step instruction and videos as to how to use it. So if you, the teacher, are a bit lost with it, it should help you and your students out. And with that, best of luck, and hopefully you and your students can create some amazing resources and learn some InDesign along the way.